The best ways to have fun when camping. Many people wish they knew how to have the best time when they go camping. Yet there isn't a lot of knowledge on the internet about how to enjoy yourself while you camp. Lucky for you, this is one of the few places where you can figure out how to get the most out of your camping experience. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. Water is critical for your survival when hiking in the backcountry. Carry water purification tablets with you or some sort of water filter that is capable of filtering out bacteria. There are many different kinds available at your local sporting goods store. Whenever you are looking for a water source, make sure the water is flowing. Stagnant water can kill you if not treated properly. Reserve your spot at a campground as soon as possible. Particularly in the summer, many people are interested in camping with their families. If you make your reservation in the winter, you are much more likely to get the best rate possible. Those savings can translate into additional family fun while on your vacation. If you are traveling with children, give them the opportunity to assist you when you get to the campground. They can carry gear, support you as you set up the tent and look for firewood. Not only will it keep them busy and out of trouble, it will be fun for them as well. Practice makes perfect when pitching a tent. Take the time to put the tent up before leaving for your trip. This allows you to build your proficiency at erecting the tent, and will also help locate any issues with the tent in case you need to exchange it for a better option. Check over your medical insurance before going on a camping trip. Traveling to a different area may necessitate that you purchase another policy. If you are camping outside of your own country, it can be even more critical. Semper Paratus doesn't just apply to the military. Be prepared. As long as you try your best to follow the advice that was outlined from this video, everything should work out for you while you go camping. Make sure you try your best to go camping because it is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for you, and it will help you relax. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.